Sales are great right now. We can't keep up with the orders. As you probably already know, this is the common theme most manufacturers are sharing. With years of pent-up consumer demand, it's no surprise. Even with supply chain constraints and workforce shortages, sales have been more than steady. They've been fantastic. However, things are changing, and unfortunately, not for the better. Consumer demand is beginning to wane as the economic pressures we have all felt are finally beginning to set in. So how are you preparing for a slowdown in business? Studies consistently show that an increase in marketing before and especially during an economic downturn not only increase sales, but market share. So why is that? The marketing environment will become less competitive, meaning less chance of your message getting lost amongst your competitors' noise. While others are cutting marketing budgets, companies that invest in their marketing will show stability and consistency. With preparation and a clear strategy, you can keep and expand the sales growth we have all become accustomed to, even in a substantial slowdown. So, how can you prepare? Here are 5 key takeaways many successful companies have used to stay on top during recessions and economic slowdowns. First, don't stop your marketing spend. And in fact, plan to increase your marketing spend. Second, create highly targeted audiences with laser-focused messaging. Third, focus on bringing value to your customer base through things like useful resources and customer success stories. Fourth, invest in new ways to reach your customer base. Don't just repeat and reuse your old tactics. And fifth, and most importantly, train your sales and marketing employees on an empathetic and effective messaging. Investing in training for your team now will pay dividends during a slowdown. Not sure where to start? Well, that's where Mantec can help. We have world-class partners, trainers, and professional development courses to get you and your staff prepared for now and the future. Remember, marketing, especially for manufacturers, takes time. Most campaigns will take at least 6 months to generate good results. So, don't wait until it's too late. Contact Mantec today.